Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Ripple on Etoro. So this is actually super easy to do. The only thing you have to do first is log into your Etoro account. You'll be on the dashboard. It looks like this. Then go to the panel on the left and you want to go to trade markets. So here will be all the available assets that you can buy on Etoro, and at the top you can see the different kind of investments you can do. So let's go to crypto because Ripple is a cryptocurrency and here are all the available cryptocurrencies on Etoro. So now we want to find Ripple, and where is it? Let's find it. Ripple is here next to Bitcoin Cash at the top, and we can go ahead and hit buy and enter in the amount. So let's say 50. So I don't have enough balance, but I'm just going to show you how to do this. Enter in the amount. Now you can open the trade and you just bought Ripple. Ripple is XRP. You can also do an order like a remit order, set it automatically, and that's how you can set an order. This is actually super easy. If you bought it and you want to sell, just go to sell and then you can sell it from there. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.